System Setup Reports. System reports filtered by specified calendar periods are available to assist management. Accounting interface to AMS. The AMS application is a dedicated maintenance management software tool and is never intended to be an accounting program. There is, however, a lot of information common to the company accounting function and AMS. It makes sense to make this information available to the accounting software to avoid double capturing of data. This information exchange requirement is primarily on supplier invoicing and workpack invoicing. For both options, AMS should be the primary source of data. Export reports are available in Microsoft Excel.xlsx format. These are available in the period report page and must be generated between a selected date range. Accounting Workpack Export will provide a report of all workpacks closed in the selected period. The workpack selling price can be adjusted prior to the closing of a workpack. Accounting GRV Export provides details as per the GRV's capture. GRVs are essentially proof of supplier invoices in the AMS definition. The export provides all relevant information as well as purchase order references. Accounting linking. Both the customers and supplier detail pages provide for a field that will link the AMS customer or supplier to those already defined in the accounting program. Editing these fields in customers and suppliers must be captured once. The field should match the accounting keys for the supplier or customer. This information is under the Accounting tab and named Internal Reference. This would be the reference as defined in the accounting program. This should not be confused by the account number, which is normally a number allocated by the third party, typically used on purchase orders. Data integrity. All exports will reflect an accurate set of information. Users must be careful of any corrections that were made on AMS after the export. These adjustments and corrections are recorded in the AMS audit trail and is available in the audit reports. Users will, however, have to manually correct this in the accounting program if the corrections were done after and exported. This process must be part of the user operating procedures. As all accounting programs have different format requirements, users will have to manipulate the data into a format suitable for their accounting program. This will include the removal of information not required. The recommended procedure would be to import the AMS data into a format suitable to the accounting program. The import template can then be saved in Excel for future use. Period reports. Hover over the System menu selection on the main menu and select Reports from the drop-down list. Select the filter period between two specified dates on the top right. Aircraft. Select the required aircraft from the drop-down list. Aircraft costing. Report on costs allocated to the selected aircraft in the filter period. Aircraft workpack opened. Generate a report of all workpacks opened in the filter period for the selected aircraft. Workpacks. Workpacks closed. Generate a report of all workpacks closed in the filtered period. Opened in period. Generate a report of all workpacks opened in the filtered period. Unscheduled in period. Generate a report of all unscheduled tasks in workpacks opened in filtered in period. Currently open. Generate a report of all workpacks currently open. Inventory. Work in progress. Generate a report of all invoiceable work on period end date. The period start date is not used. Period stock and movement. Generate a report of inventory movement in period with stock on end date. Stock. Generate a report of current stock. Stock movement. Generate a report of inventory parts movement between dates, including work pack linked. Inventory received by GRV. Generate a report of shipment and GRV, filtered by inventory received between dates. Shrinkage. Generate a report of inventory shrinkage. Return to stores. Generate a report of inventory return to store in selected period. Rotables. Generate a report of rotable returns initiated in the period. Personnel. Timesheet summary. Generate a report of all staff time activities over the selected period. Timesheet allocation. Generate a report of all staff time activities totaled by allocation. Personnel time. Generate a report of all staff time activities detailed by personnel. System reports. AMS Status. Generate a report of workflow-related status items. Accounting work pack. Generate an Excel sheet of closed work pack transactions in the filtered period. Accounting GRV. Generate an Excel sheet of GRV transactions in filtered period. Stock take. Generate an Excel sheet of current stock.